Hi everyone, hope you're well. Back again. It's the 93 strat. This is my second trade to this week actually, and we've just got in, as you can see, on the sell side at 0.04. The strat has told me to get in at that point, which I've done. But as you can see, it's firing up in the opposite direction, which is not a bad thing to be fair, but it means that we are in the strategy finally, which is great. This is on the USD CAD, and as it's moving up fairly quickly, I'm just going to jump in preparation again. So as you can see here, I've got in at around about 3406. So I'm going to get in at 3456 and set up a buy there as well. And I'm actually going to increase my leverage there to 0.07. Set up a sell limit there. 13. There we go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. There we go. And also, just so you're aware, guys, we do a 200 pip stop loss on this as well. So we place the stop loss in straight away. Ready to go. Okay, so wow, it's absolutely flying, which is incredible. So yeah, I'm in this again. As you can see, my next stop loss, my next entry point actually is not far away. Gosh, that's 50 pips. It's gone, which is just mental. But it's all good. We get in here as well, hopefully, and we'll hopefully see a really nice big red candle come down the opposite way. We might be able to get out fairly quickly on this as well. Now I'm going to go and work out where my exit is in the strategy. It will be currently today, it will be somewhere down here, my exit strategy, but as the days go on, obviously the mean comes up further towards where where the actual price is. So by tomorrow it'll probably be around here. So I'm going to look into sort of lock in a profit around here. So hopefully it will go up and hit this top one here, and then come back the next day down to here and get me out. That's the idea. So yeah, you learned a little bit more about the strat today. So basically our initial entry point is at a very exceptional price basically today, and the exceptional price is on the buy side. So obviously we're going to sell in the opposite direction because it's an exceptional price. It's overbought, the market's been overbought, and it's not based on RSIs, by the way, or relevant relative strength index and all the rest of that. It's actually based on some different qualities, which I will explain probably in a later video. But it takes a principle of it's well overbought, and it's an exceptional price, and then this will then range and go down back down to the mean at some point. So we're just going to wait for that. And sometimes, guys, these trades, I'm going to be really honest with you here, sometimes these trades, can take 3 or 4 days to go through. So we just have to be quite patient and making sure that we get in when we need to, and always making sure we set up every single time with a stop loss in place, and then obviously the next 50 pips above that we get in again. Now sometimes it will go in, hit the 50 pips and turn around, it's fantastic. Other times it will fall like this one here. It could fall just short and not quite hit my 50 pips and come all the way back down. who knows really, but typically speaking, it will take out, it will hit your 50 pip mark and then come down and make you some, you know, serious profit. So let's watch this one and see where it goes. I'll keep you updated. Hi guys, as you can see, it's the same day, same trade. It's literally probably 15 minutes later, and we're just about to get into our second one here. If it can go out a little bit higher, it's nearly there. You're about 3 pips off getting into our second point here, at 0. Oh, here we go. And we're nearly there. So yeah, again, this is our second entry point. It's a bit higher leverage, so we're hoping that this hits. Oh, so close. Anyway, so while we're there as well, what we're going to do is we're going to set our I've checked with the strat, and the strat getting out point is actually all the way down here at 33360, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set on my take profit down there at 3360. This take profit, guys, is on multiple occasions is oh, we're in the strat. On multiple occasions this take profit is you know, will move. It will move on a daily basis with the mean. So you just kind of got to keep an eye on it, but we're going to put that at 33360, sorry. So I'm going to enter that now onto both of them now, because both have hit. So here we go. Where am I going? So here we go. As you can see my yesterday Euro USD, where we're at with that at the moment. It's not come up very far at all. As you can see, we're also USD CAD. So I click on there, hold that down, modify order. So as you can see, we've got our we've got into the trade, we've got our stop loss set up, which is really important. And we're going to just edit this to 33360, done, and modify that so that's all in place. And then we do the same with the 04 as well. Sorry about that, guys. 33360, done, modify. Okay guys, so here really is just making sure we're set up well, ready to go. You know, if it goes all the way back down there, we'll make some serious pips. We'll make 56 or 113 pips on that one, and we'll make about 60 odd pips on that one as well. But guarantee this won't come down here by today, so that will probably move to around about there for tomorrow, and then it will keep climbing depending on what the market really does. But essentially this today is an extremely exceptional price. It's gone very high, and I will update you when it comes back down. Hi guys, back again, and this trade is finally complete, which is fantastic. The USD CAD came down. It was non-farm payroll, so it came down fast and hard, which was fantastic, exactly what we were looking for. And actually, you know what, we made some really good profit as well. Let me show you this. As you can see, just so you're with me on this, it's still my live account, 10,291 636. IC Markets Live. And as you can see, my history here, on the day we've got £29.84 profit after commission and swaps etc were taken out. Overall natural profit there is 29.72 plus £2, so 31.72 minus my commission etc. I made the most money on my second entry point, which if you remember was right at the top and at 0.07, and then my first entry point at 0.04 I made a very small profit as well. So fantastic trade, really chuffed with that, guys. Again, you know, this is my second trade. It's a great 3% growth, and yeah guys, just keep following me, keep enjoying the trades, keep seeing them pay off. And like I said, this is the 93 strat. 93% of every single trade out of 100 we make a great profit on. So let's just wait and watch the rest of the trades that I'm still in at the moment and see how they come about. All right, have a good one, guys, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it with other people that that want to learn how to trade and be profitable, and we'll see you next time.